Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very long overdue ColourPop haul. So I got this stuff back in December and it's been sitting on my floor and I've been meaning to do a haul and it just has never happened, but we're doing it now. So redeeming myself. Okay, so I got a nice little box of goodies in front of me. And I'm going to unpack. I don't even remember what I got, so this is going to be exciting. Ooh, I got a lot of stuff. Alright, oh no, something's broken and I waited till December to open this. Oh man, okay. Well, at least it's a Super Shock Shadow. Let's try and press her together. This is in the color Light Up. So let's try and smush her, you know? If not, I'm just gonna have to rebuy it because they probably won't let me get another one because it's been so long. Oh, this is so pretty. It's kind of just crumbling. Let me really press in here. Alright, so I did my best. I think it's gonna work. This is a gorgeous shade. Let me, like, beautiful peach with gold glitter in it. This is so pretty. Love that. I hope this lasts. Please stay together. Oh god. Alright, I guess we're doing all of the shadows now. So then we have something that I think might be too dark. This is Weenie. So this is by Kathleen Lights. And my thing was to go with lighter shades to just kind of pack on the lid real nice. This is Weenie. God, these are just so buttery. That's gorgeous. Love that. Ooh, that is such a beautiful color. Oh, I'm so excited for that. Then we have, what is this? Prickly Pear. Ooh. Yes. So, oh my god. So pretty. I'm wearing this tomorrow. It's that bottom one. So pretty. Oh my god, that's my favorite one that I've ever had. And then we have the No Kill LA Shelter Shadow in Bow Wow. Of course I had to get this because it goes towards rescuing little puppies and we all love that. This is a beautiful peach gold shade. Ooh, yes, that's gonna be so nice in the summer. Right there. I'm so impressed with my selection. It's gonna be great. Okay, so the rest are lippies. Oh no, we have some brow pencils. Oh, that's gonna be exciting to try. So I got 4 of them because I wasn't sure what color, and they're like $5 or $3 a piece. So I'm gonna do a big swatch of my NYX just so I can color match. So first we have Cool Cocoa. Oh my god, this is so thin. Oh, that looks like a good one. It's a little dark, but I can make that work. Oh no, it doesn't screw down. Ugh, be careful. That's bad. Okay, and then we have Blonde Moment. Love that name. Twist it up just a little. That looks like I could like get use out of it. So then we have Bangin' Brunette, which I'm hoping is perfect for me. Bangin' Brunette is just like Cool Cocoa but warmer. So we have Blonde Moment, Cool Cocoa right here, and then we have Bangin' Brunette. So I'm gonna have to play around with the colors because I don't have anything that matches directly this NYX one, but I'm thinking Cool Cocoa might be the closest. So I'm just gonna play around with these, but these are super affordable and I heard people really like them, so I'm excited to try them. All right, the rest are lippies. So we have 3 different collections going on right here. The first ones are glosses. They say liquid lips, but they're ultra glossy lips, and they're in this packaging, this like iridescent packaging. So I'm not quite sure. This is like, I can't remember what collection this is. So, ooh, This is pretty. So this is Paper Moon. They don't really have a smell. Ooh, that's pretty. These are more of like their iridescent glosses, not like their super opaque ones. That's why I picked them out. And then we have, what color is this? Round Midnight. So this is a baby pink with gold shimmer. Ooh, that is so pretty. Right there. Can't wait to wear these. Then we have something from ColourPop times Delilah, and this is in New Day. It is a nude lip gloss with gold shimmer. Stop it right now, that is so cute. So that looks a lot like the one I just swatched, like pretty much identical, except it's like a different pink. I think the top one is a little bit more peachy and this one's a little bit more cool toned. They are so similar. I would buy like pretty much two of the same lip gloss. The last two lip products we have are by Karrueche in the Brown Sugar collection. So another lip gloss, and this is Blowsy. It's a weird name. Ooh, pretty. Am I just like buying the same thing over and over again? I don't even know. Pretty much. Guys, you have got to be kidding me, because this looks exactly like the first one that I swatched. Look at that. It's a little bit more red, but it's got a gold shimmer just like that one. Even though that one's like peachy, this one's like a peachy red. I just bought like 4 of the same lip glosses. Whatever. Alright, I'm gonna add one on top. Let's put New Day on what I have right now. Ooh, that's pretty. I like that. Very shiny. Very shiny. What is this hair doing? Get back there. Okay, last product, which is not a lip gloss, so I know it's not going to be the same. This is the lipstick, Luxe lipstick, in the color Butter. Ooh, this packaging is so cute. Love it. And it is this pretty nude right here. Ooh, that is so gorgeous. Oh my god, I cannot wait to wear this. I'm gonna wear this tomorrow. That is stunning. And then these lighter pink lip glosses will look real nice on top. Ugh, so cute. Okay, so that is my ColourPop haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I can't believe how this turned out. I don't think I was paying attention when I was shopping, but you know, I will get good use out of these products. So if you enjoyed this video and you like hauls, please give this a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you later, guys. Bye.